Good morning, class. Today we will discuss the next topic of chapter reduction of inequality and poverty. As we are discussing the outcome of democracy, as we know that democracy is not responsible to reduce the poverty or corruption or inequality, they are not the subject of it, but sometimes some major point which we had discussed, how they can be abolished or reduced from democracy, they are another factors, or there are another factors for that. So let's take the paragraph that when we talk about the development, it is reasonable expect democracy to reduce the economic disparities. Disparities means some people are rich, as we have seen in the caricature in the previous segment, that developed countries are the rich countries, the middle countries, like middle class countries, they're the developing countries, and the poor means underdeveloped countries. We had discussed this much there. So even when a country achieve economic growth, will wealth be distributed in a such way that all citizens of the country will have a share इन इन अ लीड टू बी बेटर लाइफ. मतलब सबके पास इतना तो होना चाहिए कि वो एक अच्छी लाइफ जी सकें. मीन्स द पर कैपिटा इनकम शुड नॉट बी vary from one to another. So economic growth in democracies accompanied by the increase in inequalities among the people. Or do the democracies lead to a just distribution of goods and opportunities? सो डेमोक्रेसीज आर बेस्ड ऑन पॉलिटिकल इक्वलिटी. अगर हम कहें डेमोक्रेसीज में इक्वलिटी इनइक्वलिटी का क्वेश्चन अगर आता है, तो हम यहाँ फाइनेंशियली वी आर नॉट डिस्कसिंग, वी आर डिस्कसिंग से व्हाट महात्मा गांधी सेड अबाउट दिस, कि पॉलिटिकल इक्वलिटी इज व्हाट. मतलब जब हम वोट बैंक की बात करते हैं तो हम सब एक माने जाते हैं, ठीक है. लेकिन जब हम फाइनेंशियल बैकग्राउंड की बात करते हैं तो वी आर नॉट स्टैंडिंग इन एनी काइंड ऑफ क्यू. सो ऑल इंडिविजुअल have equal weight in electing representative power to the process of bringing individuals into the political arena. Or equal footing, we find economic inequalities, and small number of the ultra rich enjoy highly disproportionate share wealth and income. जो मैंने आपको बता दिया वही इसमें इसमें सब लिखा है कि अगर हम पॉलिटिकल इक्वलिटी की बात करते हैं, वी आर इक्वल बिकॉज दिस इज वन ऑफ द फर्स्ट फंडामेंटल राइट in our constitution has been given. But when we are talking about financial equality, so we are not equal. Those of the bottom of the society are very little to depend upon. Their incomes have been declining, and sometimes they find difficult to meet their basic needs to life, such as food, clothes, house and education, health. We can see in our surrounding, even if you can imagine yourself that or the background or the financial background is not even of all the children in class. It is vary from one to another. So actual life democracy do not appear to be very successful reducing the economic inequalities. In ninth class book we have already discussed about in poverty in India, government has started many programs like PDS system, and poor constitute a large proportion of our voters, and no party will like to lose their votes. Yet democratically elected government do not appear to be keen and address the question of poverty you would expect from two. अब आप देख सकते हैं कई बार ये पॉलिटिक्स में भी आता है कि certainly when election start, the campaign start, many leaders they make many promises with the people, like they will eradicate the poverty, and this is one of the main slogan which is raised by all kind of politicians during the election time, and this is not still abolished from the country. ठीक है, अभी भी हम कह सकते हैं कि हमारे यहाँ 20 more than 20 करोड़ people are under BPL. ठीक है, so the situation is much worse in some of the countries. when we talk about other countries, तो आप देख सकते हैं poorest country में स्पेशली सोमालिया, अफ्रीका के जितने भी कंट्री हैं वहाँ पर ये सब प्रॉब्लम दिखेंगी. एंड अवर नेबरिंग कंट्री वी कैन टॉक अबाउट पाकिस्तान, बांग्लादेश, हाफ ऑफ इट्स पॉपुलेशन लिव्स अंडर पॉवर्टी लाइन. ठीक है, पीपल इन सेवरल पुअर कंट्रीज आर नाउ डिपेंडेंट ऑन रिच कंट्रीज इवन फॉर फूड सप्लाई. सो वी कैन टॉक अबाउट कि कितने जो हैं वो ग्रेनरीज प्रोवाइड करते हैं, एड प्रोवाइड करते हैं, असिस्टेंट प्रोवाइड करते हैं टू दीज पुअर countries. So this is not the question of democracy which we can say कि यहाँ पर जो डेमोक्रेसी में है कि डेमोक्रेसी क्या करती है, वो रिडक्शन ऑफ इनइक्वलिटी और पॉवर्टी देगी, दो द कंट्रीज आर हैविंग such system of government. Now another point is of accommodation of social diversity. Accommodation of social diversity means this term already we have read in power sharing. So social diversity का question जो है वो democracy में होता है. This is one of the मेन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स और स्पेशलिटी ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी कि हाँ यहाँ पर क्या है, सोशल डाइवर्सिटी एडजस्ट हो जाती है, ठीक है, बिकॉज such kind of legitimacy is there that people believe in the system. So do democracy lead to the peaceful and harmonious life among citizens? तो इसके लिए हम yes बोल सकते हैं. So it will be a fair expectation that democracy should produce harmonious social life. अब फिर आपके पास यही दो पॉइंट आ जाते हैं. Again and again we can discuss the power sharing and federalism, which we read earlier, like moral values and prudential रीज़न जो है कि आप ये कहीं हद तक हम पे ही डिपेंड करता है. अगर हम चाहें तो हारमोनियस या फिर हम एक एडजस्टमेंट से रह सकते हैं, ठीक है. दिस इज द स्पिरिट ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी. सो वी हैव सीन द अर्लियर चैप्टर्स हाउ डेमोक्रेसी अकोमोडेट वेरियस सोशल डिवीजन, ठीक है. दो वी डिड नॉट रीड ऑल दोज चैप्टर बिकॉज ऑफ this pandemic, they have been deleted from the course, but अगर हम वहाँ पर देखें तो क्रॉस कटिंग, सोशल डिवीज़न, ये हमने उन चैप्टर्स में ये सब टॉपिक्स हैं. तो एडजस्टमेंट करने का काम किसका है, डेमोक्रेसी का ही होता है. इफ़ वी बिलीव, और वो बिलीवनेस कब आती है, व्हेन आई थिंक आई एम इंडिविजुअल, तो वो नहीं होगा, ठीक है. अगर हम कहें कि मैं, जब हम अपने आप को सिर्फ रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं देन वी कैन नॉट एडजस्ट, बट हम जब रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं कि आई एम द सिटीजन ऑफ इंडिया, देन ऑटोमेटिकली ऑल थिंग्स कम together. So we saw in first chapter how Belgium is successfully negotiated differences among ethnic population. ठीक है. I think there is no need of telling you about what we read there. So the problem, how beautifully the government sorted out. The democracy usually develop a procedure to conduct their competition. This reduces the possibility of these tensions becoming explosive or violent. मतलब far extent it is in the hands of government how it reduces the conflict in the country. So no society can fully and permanently resolve the conflict among the different groups, but we can certainly learn to respect these differences, and we can also evolve mechanism to negotiate the differences. Democracy is the best suited to produce this outcome. We cannot deny by the statement, and it is very important statement, that democracy is best suited to produce this outcome. मतलब अगर कोई अच्छा रिजल्ट दे सकती है to reduce the conflicts and accommodation, that is only democracy. No other government can give such kind of result or outcome. So non-democratic regime often turn a blind eye or to suppress the internal social differences. Ability to handle the social differences, division, conflicts is thus definite plus point with the democracy regime. But the example of Sri Lanka remind us that democracy must fulfill two conditions. ठीक है. फिर वही कंडीशन आपके पास आ जाती है मेजॉरिटी की और माइनॉरिटी की, कि एनी मेजॉरिटी इज रूलिंग इन द कंट्री, दे शुड नॉट नेग्लेक्ट द minorities. So it is necessary to understand that democracy is not simple rule by majority opinion. Majority always needs to work with minority. मतलब मिलजुल कर काम करने से ही क्या है, हम प्रॉब्लम को ओवरकम कर सकते हैं. So that government function to represent the general view. Majority and minority opinions are not permanent. It is also necessary that rule by majority does not become rule by the minority, by minority community in terms of religion, race, linguistic group, etc. मतलब ये ज़रूरी नहीं है, ये ज़रूरी हो जाता है कि जो रूल मेजॉरिटी कर रही है, मतलब वो ऐसे रूल ना करे कि किसी के सेंटिमेंट्स को, ठीक है, किसी के सेंटिमेंट्स को या किसी की फीलिंग्स को, इमोशंस को हर्ट किया जाए. दे शुड कीप इन माइंड ऑलवेज. So, rule by the minority means the case of decision or case of every election, different person or the groups may, and can form the majority. Democracy remains democracy only as long as every citizen has chance of being in majority at some point of time. If some is barred from being the majority, the basis of birth, then democratic rule ceases to be accommodative that person or a group. तो ये सिंपल ही था. I hope you understood this. Now, in another video, we discuss the last segment of the chapter, dignity and freedom of the citizen. Okay, thank you.